Hello and welcome back. So for those who are new today, my name is Malishka and I make videos and post it on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed, please do it soon. And today's recipe is again one of the very nice and tasty recipe. So what today we are making is wonton soup, which for me is also a soup and also a meal because it's very heavy. So yeah, it's amazing recipe. So I'll give you a small introduction about what the wonton recipe exactly is and how has it been originated. So wonton recipe is originated from Hong Kong and it was like a street food there, and later it turned to be indoor eateries, and so it is spread worldwide. So today we're making that. And what exactly wonton is? So wonton is basically like momos or dumplings. You can say like Maggie and Yippee. Wait, no, I know Maggie lovers would kill me for that. So I wouldn't compare. But wonton is again one very nice recipe. So yeah, let's get started with wonton soup. Here we go.
So now we are making the dough for wonton, for which we are using 1.5 cup of all purpose flour यानी कि मैदा, salt, नमक स्वाद अनुसार. Then we are going to add oil for around 2 spoons and then mix it well. अच्छे से इसको mix कर लेंगे. उसके बाद हम इसमें डालेंगे पानी as per the soft dough to be made. So this is how soft it is. इसको हमें soft बनाना है. And then उस पर हम cling wrap लगा लेंगे and we'll keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we have to make the vegetable stock, for which we are going to take a pan and add a little bit of oil, into which we are going to add peppercorns and 1 bay leaf with a small cinnamon stick and just roast it for about 30 seconds. After which we are going to add half ginger and 3 garlic and roast it well for again 2 minutes. And then we will add the vegetables like cauliflower, beans, carrot, spring onion white and spring onion greens. You can also add the vegetables that are available in your house. And once you add all the vegetables inside, just mix it well and then close the lid and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once you see that the vegetables look shiny, that's exactly when you will add water. I have added 6 cups of water into it, and then we will close the lid and let it boil for around 20 minutes until the vegetables are soft. And you can see the vegetables have shrinked a little bit, and this is how it looks. And trust me on this one, adding vegetable stock to any food recipe makes it even more tastier. Now we are going to make the wonton stuffings. So we need a kadai or a pan, add some oil, and once it's properly heated, then add 1 spoon garlic, half spoon ginger, again a spoon of green chili chopped, and then mix it well. And then handful of spring onion greens, again mix it well. Then we are going to add the vegetables like chopped cabbage, chopped beans and chopped carrot. And mix them well. And then add a spoon of chow mein hakka noodle masalas because it enhances the taste and makes it tastier. And after sauteing, at last we have to add salt as per your taste, and then mix it well and then turn off the flame, and the stuffing is ready. Now after keeping the dough rested for around 5 to 10 minutes, we will remove the cling wrap. हम cling wrap को निकाल देंगे एंड आगे का प्रोसेस हम वीडियो में देखेंगे कि हमें कैसे बनाना है इसे. तो सबसे पहले हम इस पे थोड़ा सा आटा डाल देंगे. And now we will knead the dough back again using our palm and fingers so that it softens. अभी हम इस डो को 2 हाफ में कट कर लेंगे एंड जो पहला हाफ है उससे हम रोल करेंगे एंड देन हम इसे काट लेंगे इक्वल हाफ्स में. Now we have to make the circular shape out of the dough and then we will add the stuffings. हम इसमें stuffings डाल देंगे 1 spoon and then we will fold it into half. ऐसे हम इसको fold करेंगे अच्छे से and इसकी जो ends है उसको properly press करेंगे. अभी हमारे फिंगर को थोड़ा सा गीला करके उसकी एंड पे लगा देना है एंड देन उसको उल्टी तरफ से फोल्ड करना है और इस हिसाब से वो अच्छे से चिपक जाएगा एंड द वॉन्टन हियर इज़ रेडी. नाउ टू मेक द वॉन्टन सूप वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड द वेजिटेबल स्टॉक इनसाइड अ पैन एंड देन हम उसी में 1 स्पून चॉप्ड गार्लिक एंड 2 स्पून्स स्प्रिंग अनियन ग्रीन्स डालेंगे. उसी के साथ हाफ स्पून ब्लैक पेपर पाउडर और सॉल्ट एज पर वंस टेस्ट. एंड इसे और मज़ेदार और टेस्टी बनाने के लिए आप इसमें मैगी मसाला भी डाल सकते हो और एट लास्ट 1 स्पून सोया सॉस डालेंगे इसमें एंड देन फिर इसे लिड को बंद करके एक बॉईल दिलानी है. एंड व्हेन यू सी hot steam coming out like this, that's when you add the wontons into it. इसी में हम wontons बाद में डालेंगे एंड उसे बॉईल करेंगे. तो जब तक इसका टेक्सचर थोड़ा ट्रांसपेरेंट होता है और जैसे ये फ्लोट करने लग जाए तभी हम गैस को स्विच ऑफ करेंगे एंड दैट्स व्हेन द सूप इज़ रेडी. दिस इज़ इट. दिस इज़ वॉट आई एम एग्जैक्टली टॉकिंग अबाउट. इसका टेक्सचर भी ट्रांसपेरेंट हो चुका है एंड ये फ्लोट भी कर रहे हैं एंड यू कैन सी द हॉट स्टीम कमिंग आउट. इट्स जस्ट सो टेस्टी एंड टेम्पटिंग. That's it for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.